We have dashcam video showing a dangerous drive through the streets of Southport, swerving, hitting another car, then coming to an abrupt end.
A driver's Southport getaway coming to a crashing end. This is the aftermath, the stolen silver hatchback taking down a light pole in the Smith Collective.
Call the police again, please. Can you call the police again?
Mitchell Pratt capturing it all on his dash cam.
A couple of people helped him out, including a couple of paramedics. They were just in a cafe.
He began following the driver's dangerous journey 10 minutes earlier. This is them turning onto the Smith Street motorway. You can see the silver hatchback swerving.
I saw an erratic driver, almost collected a couple of cars.
Eventually stopping at the old athletes' village where Mitchell blocks the driver in.
A member of the public tried to stop and speak to that person. At the time of stopping, 2 males who were passengers in that vehicle fled on foot.
3 minutes later, nudging out, ramming the yellow hatch in front. The driver was taken to hospital for tests and questioning. Police are tracking down his passengers. Benjamin Stavala, 9 Gold Coast News.